안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hi, it's Taeyeon here at 123 Kimchi. So we're starting with the new season, the Korean summer. And today we're going to make one of my special favorites, Ddalgi Gochujang Guksu, strawberry Gochujang Noodles. So you thought strawberries are only for desserts? Well, let me tell you. Fruits are actually used in many savory dishes in Korean cooking. This is one of them, and I'll show you how to make it. You can whip this up in just 10 minutes. It's very simple, so let's get started. Strawberries are in season here in the Netherlands, and I can't get enough of them. Rinse the strawberries and pat them dry. Remove the leaf cap with a paring knife. Cut big ones in half for quarters, and I'd like to leave 1 or 2 for garnish. You can slice or dice them, just as you like it. If frozen strawberries are all you have at hand, go ahead and use frozen strawberries as substitute. After that, let's combine everything in a blender. Gochujang Korean chili pepper paste, Maesil-cheong Korean green plum syrup, lemon juice, and agave syrup. For our Korean fire noodle lovers, you may add gochugaru Korean chili pepper powder too. To talk about what we just added, it's important not to overpower the strawberries with gochujang. Maesil-cheong, or the Korean green plum extract, can be substituted with 2 parts of agave syrup and 1 part vinegar. Sweetness and sourness of the strawberries might vary, so add agave syrup to taste. Now blend until everything is smooth, about 20 to 30 seconds. Cover and cool in the fridge. I like mine pretty chilled, so I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cook the noodles. These are Korean Somyeon noodles, and as much as it sounds pretty similar to Japanese somen noodles, they are the same thing, so any of those two are fine. Or opt for capellini or angel hair pasta if you can get Somyeon. Check out our Instagram and you can see the one made with capellini pasta. For cooking these Somyeon noodles, you just need to remember 3 things. Time according to the package, heat, high heat, rinse thoroughly with your hands under running cold water. In a pot, bring water to boil on high. Note that sufficient amount of water is needed, just like cooking pasta. When boiling, add a pinch of salt, then the noodles. Stir noodles so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Keep on high heat. When water boils again, pour a cup of water, which will give noodles a bit more texture. Cook until the time written on the package. Note that you can repeat pouring a cup of water once more if the water boils up high before the time. Drain the noodles in a colander while cold water is running. And rinse and gently rub the noodles against each other with your hands. By doing it, excess starch and film on the surface of the noodles will be washed off and will give it extra texture and prevent it from clumping together. Plate the noodles first. Then pour the strawberry mixture and garnish with strawberries and herbs. You can use basil, chervil, mint, or any herb that you like to have with your strawberries. Pro tip: garnish with edible flowers too for a truly Insta-proof dish. I got acacia blossoms from the forest the other day, which are so sweet and fragrant. And how to eat it? Stir the noodles and mix well with the sauce and slurp. Sweet, sour, and spicy gochujang sauce is packed with flavors. And the pretty strawberry notes really brighten it, making it a perfect summer meal. See you on my next episode because I gotta go finish my noodles. Now it's your turn to try. Did you like it? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!